Have you pre-ordered your S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra? Are you wondering which device to pre-order? Which one is the best choice for you? Well, we are gonna take a look today at the Galaxy S21 Ultra and everything that we received with the phone in our box. Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra become available in the stores here in US tomorrow on Friday 29th. So if you are trying to buy the phone today, you have a chance to pre-order it. The benefit of pre-ordering the device is that Samsung will give you up to $250 to spend on accessories depending on the version of the phone that you are going to buy. Instantly you can see that this time around Samsung used a much smaller box. They actually eliminated the charging block, so that does not come in a box anymore, just like Apple did the same thing earlier this year. So once you open this box, you will see just a Samsung insert. There is no information, and the actual device. The phone that I got for our review is a silver version. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra comes in 5 different colors: the Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and there are 3 additional colors that you can get, but you would have to get an unlocked version and wait 4 to 5 weeks to get those devices. The colors would be Phantom Titanium, which is gray, Phantom Navy, which is dark blue, and a Phantom Brown. As you see in the box, you don't get much. You get the phone and a USB Type-C cable, and that's it. The phone feels very premium. It is pretty heavy, but it's not as heavy as the Galaxy Fold 2, for example. I want to pay your attention that whenever you do put a SIM card in, please make sure that you don't damage the speaker on accident. And here we go. We have the phone in its full glory. This silver color is very pretty, honestly. Alright, now let's power up Galaxy S21 Ultra, and while it's doing its job, let's unpack other things that we received with the phone. The one item that I did order is the silicone cover with the stylus. As you may know, Galaxy S21 Ultra is the only version of the S21 lineup that does support the S Pen. The cover by itself feels very smooth and very soft, but the only thing that I did notice, and I don't like so much, it will attract any kind of lint, any kind of dirt that you might have. So if you're type of a person who would be carrying your phone in your jeans pocket a lot of times, you will have to make sure that you clean it a lot. But the phone looks very nice with the case, and it's actually not adding too much bulk on the side where the stylus is stored. That was my concern, that once you put the case on with the stylus, it's gonna feel much wider and not so comfortable to hold, but it's not the case at all. First impressions from the phone: the new operating system looks very nice, very Samsung-like, but there are some updates. The thing that I did want to show you is the storage out of the box. If you get a 128GB version, a little bit over 20 gigs will be taken with the software. And please make sure that you also check for any kind of updates. My phone, for example, had an update that needed to be installed right out of the box. The second thing that you would be getting for free when you pre-order your Galaxy S21 is a Smart Tag. Smart Tag is a Bluetooth accessory that you can attach to the things that you might lose, like keys, any kind of travel bag, or even maybe your pet or laptop. You will have to set it up through a Smart Things app, and that app will allow you to search for your lost items anywhere via a BLE signal. And the other item that I also ordered is a dual charger. If you're like me, if you have Samsung Watch as well, you would be able to charge both of the devices simultaneously instead of having multiple charges on your desk. So you can keep everything organized on your desk or your nightstand. This charger does come with a charging block and a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, so you definitely do not need to buy an additional charging block to be able to plug in the device. This obviously plate will allow you to charge a phone and a watch, or a watch and a headphones, but Samsung also does have a wireless charger trio that will allow you to charge all three devices at the same time. Even though Samsung is claiming that this wireless charger is the fast charger, it's only 9-watt charger. Samsung also has a wireless charging stand that is a 15-watt, so basically charges your phone much faster. If my phone was completely dead, it would take about 3 hours to charge the device from 0 to 100. With that being said, if you are in a rush, you need your phone to be charged quickly, please do not use the wireless charger in the hope that it's gonna give you a lot of charge right away. And let's test the S Pen. As you see, you have exactly the same menus as with the Samsung Galaxy Note. You would be missing some features. For example, you would not be able to switch between the cameras. You would not be able to use your stylus to change the pages during the any kind of presentation. There is also no information on the Galaxy S21 S Pen latency. Per my personal experience, it feels like it is exactly the same delay as with Galaxy Note 20, and Galaxy Note 20's S Pen was at 26 millisecond latency. I also wanted to talk about the cameras on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. In the front you have a 40 megapixel selfie camera. At the back you have a set of 4 cameras. You have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 108 megapixel wide angled camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto cameras. There are 2 of them, and they are capable of 100 times space zoom. Now let's take a look at a few quick samples of the camera. I will be doing a full review of the cameras, the full review of the phone, and a comparison to a iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know what you would want me to pay more attention to in the next review. Thank you for watching this one. Bye.